As you know, online learning is exploding. People who know how to teach online are in demand, and that demand is growing. Online teaching, however, is not the same as face-to-face teaching. And if you're a teacher, be it a homeschool, a public school teacher, maybe a Bible or Sunday school class teacher, or even a corporate trainer, or just someone who has a specialty that they teach, you already know this. The question is, how do I do an effective job of teaching online? Well, that's the question that this course is designed to answer. Hello, my name is David Lantz, and I've been teaching online since 2004. Did you know that scholarly research shows that students can actually learn better in an online classroom than they can in a face-to-face classroom? The determining factor, however, is the instructor's ability to facilitate the online classroom and make sure that students learn and progress through the online course. 5 years ago, I started to teach other people how to teach online, primarily working with a group of 8 people on an international basis to teach them how to lead online Bible studies and discussions. And so from that, we developed a set of best practices for online instruction. This course is based on those initial prototype classes that I taught. And so the video lessons that I've created are recorded, animated slide presentations that I have created and put into video format so that we can present it in this modality. The information in each video lesson is expanded upon in downloadable PDF text files for your review. There are 3 overall modules within this entire course. The first module is titled Creating a Culture of Self-Discipline Online. The second module is Managing the Online Classroom. And the third module is Preparing to Teach in the Flipped Classroom. This last one is a blending of both online and face-to-face learning and is being used more and more, especially in public K-12 education. I encourage you to download the syllabus and examine the various objectives for each module. And now that you've watched this introduction to how to teach online 24/7, 365, why not move on and take the first module, Creating a Culture of Self-Discipline. Thanks so much, and I look forward to seeing you in the online classroom.